Hi everyone, here we are back again. So the repair is done. As you can see, this is the other side. This was the same as on the first video. It was exposed. Now it's all covered. Even the big cracks I filled in. So here we are. This beautiful neighborhood, nice houses. So we'll take a peek on the other one. I'm walking right on the top of the wall. Here's the other one. It's all covered, no cracks. I covered all the cracks between the wood and the metal, so no water can come in there at all. So the wood's protected, and most of all, water going into underneath the roof. So everything's covered. So here's another repair by Castro's General Contracting. Please give us a call, 778-891-4017. We do roofing, painting, demolition, junk removal, complete house cleaning in and out. We do tree trimming, concrete work, finishing, placing, renovations. We also do pressure washing, gutter cleaning, roof cleaning and treatment. So we do a few things, few services for the community. Give us a call, 778-891-4017, and we're based out of Surrey, BC, servicing the community since 2004. So give us a call. And we also do property maintenance, like strata maintenance, ground maintenance. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. I gotta go on this one. For this client, I'm just gonna go down again and I'm gonna do some Christmas lights installations for them. I did the gutter cleaning on this one the other day. Now I'm back for repairs and for Christmas lights installations. Okay, thank you. Bye.